Welcome back to our channel!
Okay, for today's video ay mag-a-unbox kami ng Shopee package. Ano kaya mga laman ng Shopee package? Kararating lang ito guys kanina. Before we start, pag di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aming channel, please click the subscribe button at i-click nyo na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod na aming video. So let's start! Ang costume nga pala namin is BP costume. Hi guys! It's me, BP. It's BLI?
BPI! B-L-I-P-P-I! Flippy!
BLI PPI. We are wearing BP costume. Yung alternate color ni BP. Kasi wala talaga yung wala yung original color available eh. Ito na lang yung DIY namin. Okay, before we start to open the package ay icebreaker muna tayo. Meron kaming dance challenge, yung Numa Numa song. Okay, Mama, can you play the Numa Numa song? Are you ready, EJ?
Yeah!
Dili pa dyan ako ang video, baka tong lalaki na nagkuhan,
Look, mine and a key!
May nahi, may nahu, may naha, may naha. Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
May nahu, may naha, may naha, may nahi, may nahu. Ang head. Archie. Hello? So? Say. Ano? Hello? Hello? Okay, done. Okay guys, time to open the package. Okay, Mama, get the scissor please. Si EJ open ang package. EJ, you careful ha, EJ ha. You need to open this side, okay? Go EJ, you can do it. I'm so excited. Excited ka na EJ?
Yeah?
Okay, ito na guys. Wow, let's see the first.
Open the
Let's open the first package. What is this toy?
Infinity Cube!
It's Infinity Cube.
Yeah,
Wow.
let's open it!
Let's try. Let's open this. Ito yung mga toys na in-order ko online during the Shopee sale. Maraming mga murang mga toys sa Shopee na in-order namin para kay EJ. So, let's try to play the
Like this, you.
Wow. Wow.
Next!
Ganito yung tsura ng Infinity Cube. Para siyang cube na pwede mo siyang gawing
Fold it!
you can fold, you can roll it. Ganyan. Para siyang parang walang katapusan kaya pala tinawag na Infinity Cube.
Okay, next. Next.
This is the Infinity Cube.
So
Okay, this
next.
is a very nice toy. Wow! What is that? What is that, EJ?
It's fidget tubes.
It's a fidget cubes. You can pop it inside and pop it outside. Wow! Look at that, guys. Oh. Actually, madami pa itong mga iba-ibang colors. We have color.
Make music!
Oh, also some color yellow. Wow! Try to twist this. Oh. Wow! It's so long. Oh. Wow! Wow!
So long.
Ilang meters kayo to? Parang half. Okay.
Put it back.
Tapos pwede mo siya balik sa dati. Para maging work ka siya. Wow. Dali lang sounds niya guys. Parang masarap sa tingin. Look at this.
Give me music.
It's like, masarap sa tingin.
It's connected.
Then, oh, your eyeglass CJ. Cut your eyeglass. Wow.
It's
Open the ball.
connected. What's
Pwede
connected?
din siya. Pwede pala siya i-connect. Like, parang, ay, baliktad. Ito yan. Ito doon.
Stretch it together.
Can stretch it up. Sige, make a big circle, EJ. Make a big circle. Ayan na. Circle, wow. Oh, look at this. Oh. Wow, pwede naman tulahok, guys. Oh. Para siyang, oh, we also have the green color. Green color puppet juice. Wow. Wow. Nice. Sarap to sa tingin yung sound. Wait lang. Parang pag-ibig ko guys. Wow. Alam mo guys, mura lang pala ito sa Shopee. Yung isang tube na ganito is more or less 50 pesos lang. Sulit na sulit. Marami pang colors na pagpipilian. Color pink, color red, mayroon din violet. Actually, meron pa itong isang pang color. Meron pa tayo color blue! EG's favorite color! Yay! Try to make a long puppet. Let's try to make a long
so
puppet.
long.
Okay, we'll try to make a long puppet, EG. Okay, connect this one. Okay, connect. We need to compress it. Compress it first. Pakita sa video mo. Okay, connect natin silang lahat. Try to connect. Wow. Yeah, try. Wow.
Oh,
Saan naman natin yan? Okay, tira. Connect na. Wait lang. Connect muna natin. Okay, connect muna natin.
I'll try.
Just try to connect. Okay. Whoa. Let's make a big circle. Circle. Wow. Wow, look at that guys. Oh. Wow. Parang weird. Okay, now let's make it expand. Oh, help me. You make it expand. Try to expand it. Expand. No, natanggal. Natanggal. Okay. Wow. Mas malingaw pa ang papa kaysa ang bata. Okay, are you ready for the next toy?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the best fidget toy ever. Okay, next toy, EJ.
Snorri snake.
Wow, we have the... What is this toy?
The snake.
It's like a snake toy. Wow, you can actually connect it. You try to connect it. Sit down.
Wait, what? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah! Wow.
Okay, pwede siya mag-connect. Paano siya mag-remove? Wow. See? Then you can remove it. You can bend it. You can twist it.
Okay, you can
Wow.
twist it, no? This is so
Sabi
much
nga,
fun. This is
So much fun. Oh, we can make snake. Snake though. Wow. What is it? It's a good toy or not good?
It's good.
It's good. Okay, next, last toy. We have the last toy.
Wait.
This favorite. Whoa! A new puppet toy. Actually, guys, this is a glow in the dark puppet toy. Wow. Actually guys, meron ng collection si EJ ng mga puppet toys. Like this
Oh,
one.
wow!
Now, meron na siyang glow in the dark puppet toy. Wow, glow in the dark puppet toy. Sit tayo, try natin
The
guys.
puppet.
Yung glow in the dark puppet toy. Kung mag-glow talaga siya sa night. Okay, Mama, can you turn off the lights? Let's see if it's glowing. Go, Mama.
3.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Wow, what's that? Oh, look ang camera. Wow. Can you close the door, Mama? Para full effect. Let's try to close the door and let's see if it's really glowing.
Whoa!
Whoa, guys. Whoa. Wow. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, whoa. It's glowing.
It's glowing.
It's glowing the dark.
It's popping.
Okay.
Pop.
Look. Wow. Pakita sa kanila. Wow, look at that. Oh. Okay lang. Wow. Wait lang. Oh. Look at that. Effective talaga yung product, yung nakalagay sa product is glow. Nag-glow talaga siya. Glow in the dark. Okay. Mama, turn on the lights.
It's coming back to normal. Okay.
Wow.
Keep popping.
Maganda talaga itong puppet. Maraming collection na si EJ ng puppet. Meron siyang color yellow puppet, color purple puppet, and glow in the dark puppet. Yung puppet.
I have.
Ikaw, ngunit ano?
Pagkatawa ka. Ay, ganun. Open your mouth. Jane, smile lang. Your hand cannot show. You just move. It not show
Move
in the
daw,
camera. Move. Diri kay Papo.
3, 2, 1. Ano? Ano? Oh.
Napulaan kita. Smile lang.
Nabuksan na namin yung package kung saan marami tayong toys na in order. We have the Infinity Cube toy,
And also we have
and then the Fidget Pop Tubes toy.
and
We have color green, yellow, orange, and blue.
next
Next
is
is the
snake one.
snake fidget toy. Whoa! And then the last one is
Puppet, your glow in the dark puppet.
glow in the dark puppet. Whoa! Okay guys, closing na tayo.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Namin sa Sound
Maraming salamat! See you in our next vlog!
Bye!
Bye!